Hello and welcome to this comprehensive guide on the best prop trading firms in London. If you're looking to start or further your career in prop trading, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be covering the top firms in London, discussing their unique company cultures, trading strategies, and career opportunities. Proprietary trading, or prop trading for short, refers to the practice of trading financial instruments using a firm's own capital. This differs from traditional trading, where individuals use their own capital to trade. Prop trading is a popular career choice for those who enjoy high-pressure, fast-paced environments and have a strong passion for finance. In London, there are many prop trading firms to choose from, each with its own unique culture and trading strategies. In this guide, we'll be discussing the top prop trading firms in London and what sets them apart from the competition. Whether you're a recent graduate looking to start your career or an experienced trader looking for a change, this guide will provide you with all the information you need to find the best prop trading firm for you. Body 1. Jane Street. Our first firm is Jane Street, a quantitative trading firm with offices in New York, London, and Hong Kong. Jane Street uses mathematical modeling and algorithms to identify trading opportunities in financial markets. The firm is known for its collaborative culture, where employees work together to solve complex problems. Jane Street is also known for its generous compensation packages and excellent career progression opportunities. Optiver 2. Optiver is a proprietary trading firm that focuses on market making and trading options, futures, and other financial instruments. The firm has been in operation since 1986 and has offices in Amsterdam, Sydney, and Chicago, as well as London. Optiver is known for its fast-paced, dynamic work environment and its commitment to employee development. Flow Traders 3. Flow Traders is a global liquidity provider that specializes in exchange-traded products. The firm uses its proprietary trading platform to provide liquidity to financial markets around the world. Flow Traders has offices in Amsterdam, New York, Singapore, and Hong Kong, as well as London. The firm is known for its strong company culture and commitment to employee well-being. IMC Trading 4. IMC Trading is a global proprietary trading firm that specializes in market making and algorithmic trading. The firm has offices in Amsterdam, Chicago, Sydney, and Hong Kong, as well as London. IMC Trading is known for its fast-paced work environment and its commitment to innovation. SIG, Susquehanna International Group 5. SIG, or Susquehanna International Group, is a global quantitative trading firm that specializes in market making, derivatives trading, and other proprietary trading strategies. The firm has offices in Philadelphia, Dublin, Sydney, and Singapore, as well as London. SIG is known for its collaborative culture and its commitment to employee development and well-being. And there you have it, the top prop trading firms in London. Each of these firms has its own unique culture, trading strategies, and career opportunities, so be sure to do your research and find the one that's right for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to make a change,